Hello everyone, it's Gigo here and welcome back to another motivational video of building a house here in Ghana. And today we have a new project for you which we have named the Pantan project. I'll bring more updates of more details of this project as we progress. So we will be moving very fast with this project, as we've done this several times here on the channel. So I don't want to be keeping repeating the same thing over and over and over. Maybe when we are doing something new, then I will talk about it. If you want to see more of foundation works, if you go to, my previous project that we've started on my playlist, you'll find so many foundation works done. But when we see something new, we come across something new, I will share it with you guys, right? So like I said, more details will come as we progress. So fast forward, we start with the foundation trenches digging, and as you see on your screen now, they've already dug the foundation and they're about to start with the column bases.
Here we are on the Pantan project. We started. This is the bending ongoing. Some are cutting. Some are bending. So this is Pantan. This is our new project at Pantan. And this morning we are ready for the foundation concrete casting. As we finish the settings of the foundation columns and So we are here this morning to do the casting. This is our stone for the casting, and this is our machine, our concrete mixer, and the machine to pump the concrete inside the machine. The tubes are being laid. There's the mixer machine. That's the shooter, which we are trying to divert the pipes to different destinations. So you can see the machines are on the concrete. Everything is ongoing. The same time, yeah. The site is moving.
is the Pantam project ongoing. The excavation is being done. You set everything. You can see the concrete.
So that was Engineer Sami for you, who will be giving us more update, of this project as we progress. With Pele. Pele is the supervisor of this particular project. So watch out for more update of this project. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. In our next episode, we'll start with the foundation block works. So stay tuned for that. Thanks once again, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.